Good morning and welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a white 2022 Transit Connect with a brand new Mini-T conversion. This vehicle has navigation, blind spot indicators in the mirror, large reverse camera. Inside you find our bed that pulls out to a 43 by 72 inch bed, TV, DVD player, 2000 watt inverter, dual house batteries, solar that's charging those batteries, front privacy curtain, front WeatherTech and sunshades. If you're looking to upgrade a vehicle and plan on traveling, then the Mini-T Campervan is perfect for both. All our conversions come with the hitch. It works great to carry your bikes. Shore power plug and cord. These work great as a daily driver as they're just 80 inches tall, so they'll fit in an average garage. Check out our inventory online, www.dlm-distribution.com. Give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. And as always, happy camping!